Hey guys, so today is Friday, August the 2nd, and I am visiting Burnyzz Classic Cars showroom here in Ocala, Florida. Wow, that's an engine. Yeah, this is a 77 Corvette with a 425 horsepower Chevrolet Performance 383, and this thing is gorgeous. Electric fans, AC, lots of chrome, beautiful, and a very nice interior. I think those are digital instruments. Class T-tops, a black stripe running across the whole car. Beautiful condition. And they crafted this, let's call it a C4 tribute tail. Not my thing, but it looks very nicely done. The wheels are highly polished, slotted rims, and it's got aftermarket side pipes that emulate the 69 side pipes. And of course, Tremec TKO 5-speed transmission, which is the cherry on top. The paint is a house of color, banana yellow I think it's called. Very, very metallic, beautiful paint. And yeah, it's got new AC system. And here's the information. They're asking $40,000 for the car, which is not unreasonable. It's a restomod. And so many things added to it. It's a gorgeous car. The body again is perfect. Everything lines up beautifully. And they added this, let's call it again a tribute C2 Stinger hood to it. Very unique, very nice. Next to it, there's a 1982 Silver Green Metallic Corvette, one of 723 built that year. These were all Bowling Green, Kentucky cars. Here's the info, 37,000 miles, all original. The asking price is $30,000. And of course, as an 82, it has the Crossfire injection engine, which is, let's call it, misunderstood by most. Pretty much like the Quadrajets, I guess. It's actually a great system. These cars, I believe, had 200 horsepower engines, computer controlled, and they were all automatic. However, these were 4-speed cars. Beautiful interior, and it is in great condition for a 37,000 mile car, which is really nothing for these vehicles. Very straight. The paint is, as far as I know, original, and it looks just beautiful. A few little blemishes after so many decades, but nothing that would keep you from really easily turning this car into a, let's call it a top flight vehicle. The engine and engine bay could use a little detailing, of course, but again, that is easy stuff when you start with a vehicle like this. And again, these cars are available, so I'll put the information in the description to Burnyzz Classic Car showroom in Ocala down below. So if you're interested in one of these, just reach out to them directly. And if C3s are not your thing, I understand. You can have C4s. They have 2 of them. Beautiful condition. All the cars here are very, very nice vehicles. So I think you can buy it with confidence. Here's a C5 convertible next to a beautiful C6. And quite a variety of cars. Hey, there's another C4 there. A couple Mustangs. Here's a first gen. And I see a couple Camaros back there. Look at this. Buick Grand National. Beautiful cars. And before I go, let's also show some love to the C2s in the showroom. Both convertibles. This one has the side pipes, and they're both big block cars. Just beautiful. So again, I'll provide the information, contact information to Burnyzz. If you're interested, reach out to them directly. And I thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.